Forgot I haven't had an office update in a while too, so this is what the office looks like. If you haven't already, you know where to go. You know where to call. Streetside.co.nz for all your goodies. Plenty of fuse covers in stock, stickers, keychains, small banners, more keychains, jet tags, t-shirts, hoodies, more t-shirts, more fuse covers, banners, and even more banners down here. But what we've been waiting for a couple of days, not that long, but the last part to the S13 is finally here. GK Tech ABS delete kit. Just because I'm running a ABS master cylinder, because that's all I can find at the moment, or at the time anyway. So we're going to unbox this and we'll get to installing this on the S13, and that should be the last major part, apart from, you know, like exhaust and stuff like that. But bang, let's get into this. Let's get into this. I don't really have anything to get into it with, so just flip it open. Oops. Good on me. Sticker, courtesy of CP&Z. Shout out to them for sussing the GK Tech ABS delete kit. No sponsor. I copped full price and paid shipping. FYI. But you gotta support the local brands, the local suppliers. And yeah, here we have the GK. Again, I can see that now. But it says ABS right hand drive. And I'm guessing that's the ABS delete kit. So what do we have in here? We have a bag. We have the T-piece and all the like connectors to hold the hose in a secure position. Just if you want to pin it, you know, to your firewall, engine bay, chassis rail, anything like that, just to keep it out of the way. Got the T-fitting there for the front brake lines, 2 banjo bolts. Must have be the left hand side brake line, the longest one. Got that there. What's this one? This will be for the right brake, the driver's side brake. And these are basically the same, but one of them is for the brake master to T-fitting, and one of them is from the brake master to the rear hardline fitting. But since we're running the inline hydro kit, we've fully deleted that. So yeah, since we've done that kit on it, we don't actually need to be running this line. So if anyone needs this, let me know. I don't need it, it's gonna be chilling. So yeah, let's go install the stuff. Goodies. Super good quality too, you know GK Tech always pulls through with the best brake lines in the business. So yeah, we're gonna go chuck these on and hopefully plumb up the whole brake system. Here it is. S13. And it's near final form. Well, it's version 1 final form, that is. So basically, we're gonna chuck this in, just like this. No. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with teeing up from the brake master cylinder first. So we're just gonna plumb that line in with the banjo fitting and plumb it down to that T-fitting. So let's get onto that now, and I shall see you in a second. T-piece fitted up, just with the banjo bolt, copper washer on each side. Come back into the back of your master cylinder, not the front. You probably think it is the front, but it's actually not. The back's the front, the front's the back on a master cylinder. So we're just gonna install that right there. Figure out where we want this, because I'm really not too sure right now. Figure out where I was going to route that T-fitting just for the front brake lines. Luckily we've got the S14 here with the GK Tech ABS delete kit. So it looks like I ran it up to the front here and it's just down there. So yeah, I did run one line all the way around here for the passenger side brake, but I think I may try go above this time. I don't know, we'll find out, but luckily we have that there for a good example. and we'll get back to this. So the ABS delete kit is all in. I've got to film. Was just way too keen to get it in, see what it looks like, and yeah, I shall give you a quick run over it now. I said I was going to run the left passenger brake line along the firewall. Ended up not doing that. I ran it along the subframe instead, just because it seemed tidier, looked tidier, and it was easier to route. So I have this line here connected up to the right brake line, left, sorry, my bad. It's coming through, comes down. You can see it right there, just along the subframe there. Comes back out. Just got it plugged up to that T-fitting right there. That's just securely mounted there. We have the right brake line here, driver side brake line. That's just going back into here, connected up to this brake. And then we have the main brake line from the master coming down, run down all the way to the T. And that's the GK Tech ABS delete kit, all installed. And we also have a hydro, a working hydro, fully plumbed up, ready to go. So that's sick. We're just on our way to Super Cheap. We'll head out there. I need a pod filter, need some oil, need what else do I need? Maybe something else. Well, I need some lunch or some breakfast, something like that. I'm fucking hungry, but we're gonna go head out there now and pick up the parts and come back and install this new part too. Last night, just some D headers with the stock downpipe, and that should connect up to the exhaust that I got off front. So we'll hit that today too. That's it, we are. We're just down at Super Cheap, and we also picked up hoodies from the embroiders. So we have a fresh new stock of hoodies for everyone. We also have, I've never bought one of these before. I fucking came in $70 pod filter, but luckily we got the trade card, so we got a discount. And we got 2 litres of Gearbox oil. So yeah, we'll go home, we'll chuck this all in. Went to the bakery, got me a pie, that's gone. And I got me a stuffed sausage. Barely got a roast beef, a spring roll. What you guys get? I also got a Sprite because I'm healthy. No, what you guys get? Let us know down below. I'm a bit of a pie and sausage guy, you know? No. So we're back home now. Just trying to figure out how we're gonna mount this. As you can see, the angle of it's like not the best. I'm hoping we can just twist it a little bit and it'll sit over here and tuck nicely right down there. So let's see if we can do that. Hope it'll work. But so I nearly snapped the bloody pod filter in half, but luckily I saved it. We'll get that on there now. Give you a quick look. Boom. I fully like fucking bent the shit out of it trying to push it on. Then I realized you could take like the, so it's like, you know, 2.5 or 2.75, 3 inch and 3 1/4. And I was trying to shove the biggest fucking one on and nearly broke it. So I saved it. It's a little pain, but it's all good. The engine base fully complete. Nice ass radiator. Hit me up if you got an alloy red, I'll cop it. I'll cop it ASAP. So yeah, going to fill up the gearbox of the W90, and we're gonna install the shifter. And then once we do that, we're gonna get onto the exhaust, taking off these old headers, putting the new headers on, put the new dump pipe on, and hopefully it all fits. So yeah, let's do that. Pop this out carefully. Carefully, as I nearly break it. Why not pull this thing out? Wow. So I need a new boot as well, but track car, so all good, all good. Ring right there to clip it in place. So yeah, basically, we're just gonna fill the gearbox up with these, and it should be safe. Capacity for the SR20 is between 2.4, 2.7 liters ish, give or take, if your box is 100% empty. I'm gonna put 2 of these 1 liter bags in, and I also have another half bag that we should top it up with and should be perfect. So let's get on to dripping this in. First of all, you want to make sure your drive shaft is in, and you also have your full plug back in and tight, because obviously this is going to drip straight out the back. As you can see, drive shaft in, and you can't see the filler plug, but that is in. So now we're basically just going to, as I near fucked this up, yeah, basically no spillage, but it's so good. I'm gonna put the camera down so we don't spill any. I'll be back. This is my bent ass pod filter. Got the headers off. Now I'm just gonna put the new ones on. There's the old ones there. If anyone wants these, fucking hit me up. Best weld you're gonna fucking see. Like, whoa, can you teach me your ways? Going back to factory, because that is much better than that. So we're gonna slap that in there. Got the downpipe too. Hopefully that's gonna connect up to the cat. That should be good. I don't know why, but these have so much shit on them. Ew. Tidier. Much tidier. So just gonna chuck all these bolts on, tighten this down, and then we'll find out if the exhaust works. Grab the trusty 14 mil and do up with these bolts. Day today, working on a Beamer. Morrison just got his new whip. Came over so we could look at this boost pipe. Apparently it's held on by silicon. You can check this out. Some man's in Singapore reckons fucking hold the boost pipe on with silicon. So check this shit.
The whole pipe.
What the fuck? Bro, you can see where it's split. Like, so yeah, FYI, fucking silicon does not hold boost. Okay? Guys, I didn't actually finish off the clip the other day. Oh, repping the new head too. What do you reckon? Link in bio, you'll see it. Or link in description. You shall see the new goodies. They're a trucker style cap. Let me take it off. Boom. Have a quick look. Yeah, they're pretty fresh. Selling these $40 New Zealand dollars. 40 NZD just for these baddies. But yeah, anyway, so the hat's looking good. Always need a good hat when you're working on good cars. Anyway, S13 is done. It's ready for wiring. It just needs, well, the rest of the exhaust done, but I've already got that. We just need to change the hangers. So pretty much just need to take it over to one of my homies, like Jack or something like that, and he shall do that for us. Get the new hangers on there. Basically, it's got brakes, it's got fluid, it's got coolant, it's got oil, it's got everything connected, all the drive shaft, diff, subframes, you name it, it's connected. Hydro's plumbed, works. It's got big brakes, it's got rear brakes, you name it, it's got it. It's done finally, but now is the biggest part, saving for wiring. So if any of you want to support me, help me get this car one step closer to wiring, go down below, click that description link, streetside.co.nz, and also use that code Sugar and Spice for 10% off. It's our biggest code yet, so take advantage of that, because we're not going to have that up for too long, maybe the rest of the week or something like that. But yeah, it looks like super orange there, but it's not, I promise. Yeah, interior's done, new stickers are on there. Shout out to Limit Break, got the goodies on there. 14 shilling. I may bring this out tomorrow night. There's like a suicide awareness meet on down at our local shopping centre, so you may see this down there if I upload this tonight. But yeah, still need to clean, need to polish up the rear wheels, give it a wash, but yeah. Just been super focused on the S13. That is finally taking shape.